Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen Kay Tech. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to tell you about a product that is going to be a treasure hunt for someone who is struggling hard to learn how to earn money online. Most of you might be frustrated of your 9-to-5 job, as I was once upon a time, and you are really desperate to learn how to earn money online as a side hustle, or you want to quit your full-time job with the courage that yes, you can start earning money online. Then it is really important to find a right mentor and a right platform that could help you learn how exactly or how in real you can start earning money, because this both can help you train and learn in a very little time span. However, you have a lot of content on internet that you can browse by yourself as well and learn, but it could be a journey of around 3 to 4 years for sure, or maybe sometimes more than that. It all depends on your efficiency. But let's say if you are lucky enough to find a right mentor and a right platform, then you can easily learn all the steps in a very lesser time that you can possibly think of. So I'm going to tell you about a product or a system that is going to bring you this joy in your life. And this product name is Affiliate Legion. It is a step-by-step walkthrough of how you or someone else can start earning money of up to 7 figures from online business like affiliate marketing with no tech skill and marketing background. This product, the Affiliate Legion, is really beneficial and recommendable for someone who is beginning to affiliate marketing, or maybe someone who is struggling hard for maybe last couple of years but still they have not got a proper result yet. So guys, there's a link below down in the description box of this video. If you click on it, then you will reach to the sales page of this product, which looks like this. Okay, so the description or the details about this product is mentioned like this. The owner of this product is Mr. Dan Khan, who is a young emerging person, and he's really smart, and he's already earning like a 7-figure amount. He's an elite and a super affiliate. So if you go through the details about this sales page, he's saying that I'll personally help you earn $30,000 per month online from anywhere in the world. Make your first sale within 24 hours. And there is a small intro video he has attached here.
This video has to start with a promise
You
from you.
can easily go through this video and understand more about this product. So guys, here is a small box. Start your membership. Basically, it's a very cheap program, I must say, and it's really a treasure hunt. That's why in the start I mentioned that this program is a treasure hunt for the beginners. Okay, so you can just start with a very small amount, that is like $7. It's a monthly payment amount. Okay, once you click on it, then you will get a pop-up of a window that says that whether you are interested to take the monthly membership that is only for $7, or if you want to pay a one-time payment of $97. Okay, so there are benefits of having a membership, and there is more benefit of having payment of one-time plan. So if you take the membership, then you will be considered as a part of Affiliate Legion program, through which you are welcome to the amazing private community on the Facebook, and you can go to a community where a lot of experienced and a lot of super affiliates are there, and then you can You can ask your question answers. You will be welcomed and you will be amazingly entertained with all your questions. They could be from a beginner, that could be from anyone. And another benefit of being the part of this affiliate legion is this owner, Mr. Dan Khan, he's promising, he has a huge list of traffic that he is going to blast his list on your links, and then in that way you can get twice or thrice opportunity in a month to bring your affiliate link in front of the customer and the traffic, which is the blood of affiliate marketing, I must say. So this is the facilities, or this is the opportunities you're gonna get along with being the part of this community. And the most important point which I did not cover is you're gonna get a step-by-step walkthrough of how to start earn money online, and all the strategies and all the courses, everything you're gonna get. Let me just show you the dashboard of this software. So this is basically the interface of Affiliate Legion, which starts with an amazing nice welcome from Dan Khan.
Hey, what is up guys, Dan here. Once again, congratulations for picking up Affiliate Legion. Okay, this is the members area and this is where you will be learning all of your stuff. Alright,
So now if we proceed further, you will see so many options. There is going like step by step. He is trying to prepare your mind to learn like how possibly you are gonna get your mind, or you're gonna set up your mind to start earning money. And there is some motivations and the money system, having all the details, and you will see all the how you can drive your traffic from social media. Everything is in there. I personally would like to recommend this product to someone who is beginner, because I myself have got a lot of benefit of it. I came to learn a lot of tips and tricks which I was not aware of that before. Now let's talk about the second option of this Affiliate Legion. That is the there is a lifetime plan for $97. Their benefits are more than having the membership. Along with all the benefits you're gonna get from this membership part, another benefit he's promising is that you will get instant access to the money pool. I will spend up to $10,000 per month on advertising for you. He's gonna take your affiliate link to a money pool, okay, where you can get more chances of driving the traffic for your affiliate link through opt-in page. So this is going to be more beneficial for you, and it can help you learn more about the advanced level of affiliate marketing. So if you ask me, if you're really serious enough to learn about affiliate marketing, then you should go for this lifetime plan, as I have done already, because you will get to know more about the advanced steps of how to do affiliate marketing. So in two ways you can enter yourself in Affiliate Legion. So the more details are down. If we scroll down to the sales page, there are some more points and details. Dan Khan is mentioned, starting an online business the hard way, no doubt. Until you saw the list of requirements you need to be successful. And this is the person, Dan Khan, who is basically introducing himself, that how much struggle he has done to establish his online business, and the results he have acquired after going through that long journey. So I would personally recommend you to have this program The reason is because it's really a struggling journey if you want to do everything by yourself. But if you're really in hurry enough to learn everything in a quicker way, then I would really recommend you to join this program through one-time payment, so that you could get more chances to drive your affiliate link and your opt-in pages to his money pool. And now, what is this opt-in page? This all details amazingly, word by word, is being mentioned in this affiliate program. Okay, here probably money system, it's here, so you can learn, create your opt-in page. So guys, let's grab the link that is down in the description box of this video. Click on it and you will reach to the sales page, and then you can enjoy the program, and you will be we will be waiting for you to welcome an Affiliate Legion group. I hope you like this video. If yes, then press the thumbs up and go join the group, and we will see you there, and let's help and be an amazing community together and enjoy our online earnings. I hope to see you in another video with some another product reviews. Till then, bye.